The beauty of woodworking is that you can make money in so many different ways. Whether you're selling your creations online or building custom pieces for clients, there's always a market for handcrafted woodwork. Woodworking is not just a hobby, it's an art form that allows you to express your creativity in a tangible way. And when you sell those creations, you can make a great profit. Woodworking is a timeless craft, and the demand for handcrafted woodwork never goes out of style. Grab 16,000 woodworking plans today. You can get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. Ted has spent years putting together Earth's largest collection of woodworking plans. I'm talking about 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click on the link of the first comment and get it now. It's the perfect opportunity to make some serious cash. If you're passionate about woodworking, you can turn your hobby into a thriving business. By creating unique and custom pieces, you can establish yourself as a leader in the industry and make a great living doing what you love. Woodworking is a skill that can be monetized in so many ways. From creating custom pieces for clients to selling your creations online, the opportunities are endless. With woodworking, you don't have to choose between your passion and your wallet. You can turn your love of the craft into a lucrative career that supports your lifestyle. Woodworking is a craft that's both rewarding and profitable. By mastering your skills and marketing your work, you can make a great income doing what you love. If you have a talent for woodworking, you're sitting on a goldmine. With the right marketing and pricing, you can make a substantial income by creating beautiful, high-quality pieces that people love. By creating high-quality pieces and marketing your skills, you can build a business that brings in steady income and fuels your passion. If you're looking to make money doing something you love, woodworking is the perfect choice.